Why can't you focus anymore? Even for a few minutes. Think about it. You sit down to work, you open your laptop, you tell yourself, okay, I'm going to focus now. But within seconds, something pulls your attention. You check your phone, just for a moment. One notification turns into scrolling. Scrolling turns into more content, and before you realize it, minutes are gone. Sometimes, even hours. And the worst part? It feels normal. But here's what you don't realize. Your brain isn't broken. It's being trained the wrong way. Every time you check your phone, every time you switch tasks, every time you chase something new, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine, a quick reward. It feels good, instantly. But over time, your brain starts getting used to this pattern. It starts expecting constant stimulation, fast content, quick rewards, instant feedback. And slowly, your brain begins to reject anything that feels slow, like reading, like studying, like deep thinking. That's why you can scroll for hours, but struggle to focus for even 10 minutes. Because your brain is no longer trained for focus, it's trained for distraction. And this is where the real damage happens. Your attention span starts shrinking, your memory becomes weaker, and your ability to think deeply begins to fade. You stop connecting ideas, you stop reflecting. You stop doing the kind of thinking that actually makes you smarter. Instead, your brain becomes dependent on constant input, always consuming, never processing. But here's the truth most people ignore. Boredom is not the enemy. In fact, boredom is where your brain does its best work. When your mind is quiet, without distractions, it starts to think. It connects ideas. It solves problems. It builds clarity. That's where real intelligence grows. But today, we don't allow ourselves to be bored anymore. The moment there's silence, we reach for our phones. The moment there's stillness, we escape it. And that's exactly what's destroying your focus. So how do you fix this? You don't need something extreme. You just need to start small. The next time you're sitting alone, don't touch your phone. The next time you're waiting, don't scroll. Just sit. Let your mind wander. Let it feel bored. Because that's how you rewire your brain. That's how you rebuild your focus. And that's how you train your mind to think deeply again. So if you truly want to upgrade your mind, start by controlling what controls your attention.